2, 1, drop it.
Hey Biology 2B, today we're going to be talking about an animal cell. I'm going to take you on a short little tour, so let's get right into it. We're going to start off with the cell membrane. It's the outside of the cell and pretty much encapsulates the entire thing. It is semi-permeable, so it'll let some things in, but it's also supposed to keep some things out. Next is the cytoplasm. Now this is pretty much the inside of the cell. And if you look at this diagram, you can see the cytoplasm is like here, here, here. Pretty much anywhere that you see blue in this diagram is the cytoplasm. Like there, and also there. Pretty much the entirety of the inside of the cell is the cytoplasm. Next, we're going to be moving on to the mitochondrion. Now I'm sure you guys know about the mitochondrion. It is the powerhouse of the cell after all. Its job is to release energy and to give you fuel. Without the mitochondrion, let's just say you won't be running any marathons. Next on our list is the nucleus of the cell. It's the center, and it contains genetic information and materials. The nucleus has like your DNA. Next is the nucleolus, and it's the inside of your cell, the center of the nucleus. Now this is where the ribosomes are going to be created, which you can see right there on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Next, we're going to move on to the Golgi complex or apparatus. Now, this complex, I'll call it, packages up your proteins and sends them to where they're needed. Next, we're going to be moving on to the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And that's right here. And the function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is to create lipids. Now, if you guys notice, I just drew an X on the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and I want to show you the difference. If you look at the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it does not have those ribosomes on the outside, right here. But the rough endoplasmic reticulum does, and that's the main difference. Now we're going to talk about the nuclear membrane, which is what goes around the nucleus and the nucleolus. It surrounds them and kind of separates them. Now see, this diagram is like a cross section, but in the real cell, everything here is going to be sealed up. The membrane's not going to be like that. Now I have discussed the ribosomes, but I haven't told you their function yet. Essentially the function of the ribosomes, well, it's to create proteins. And now, we are at the last thing on our list, the lysoma. There's one there, and there's one there. Generally their function is to get rid of the bad things, as I call them. Essentially, things your cells don't really want inside of them, such as damaged items inside of the cells, or even bacteria or viruses. That's their function. Alright, video's almost over. Stay for the credits. Thanks for watching. These are the credits. It's where you find out who made the video. You can probably guess. It's me. Just me. Only me. That's a wrap. Yeah!